Hi everybody and welcome to our YouTube channel. We are as always your hosts Arne and Carlos.
And we're here to wish you all a happy summer. We're going to be spending our summer in the garden. We have tons of things to fix here, plant. We've got a kitchen garden. And yeah,
And the dogs
Helmer
are-
is so excited. He's actually a little jealous that I'm holding Freya.
He's too heavy.
And he wants to come up as well, but he's not allowed. Anyway, we want to wish you a great summer. We're going to be away for a while now. We won't be posting new episodes on Wednesdays and Sundays, but we are posting reruns of our favorite episodes. And you really don't want to miss the reruns because we're adding new commentary to it or to them, and maybe tell you a little bit about the episodes, little anecdotes if we remember them. So you really want to see the reruns and our comments to the episodes.
Nej, slut.
Okay, I think it's time to go.
I think we have to go. He's cray.
Helmer's cray and the garden is waiting for us. Wishing you a happy summer. Hopefully you will be gardening and you will do all your summer projects just as we are going to be doing. And we'll see you again very, very soon. Bye!
Bye. I think he's jealous.
Don't be jealous of my boogie.
Don't be jealous of my boogie. Oh, yeah.